Gold Coast Casino. Here we are. Let's see if the Dragon Link machines here pay out. Yeah, I'll play Bubble Craps and you play Dragon Link.
Okay.
That's a good trade. Gold Coast. Self park. Let's go. Let's not go. I hate that term. I don't know why I used it.
You have void.
Yeah. Void. Gold Coast. Seriously, you know how you hear it so many times?
Ooh, look at my favorites on the left.
Oh, our favorite. See? It's a pig.
Yeah.
There's little piggies. So we are walking clockwise. I'm gonna walk clockwise. And they have bubble craps in the middle.
They do?
Yeah, I already see it. My eyes just wander and see. I know. It's because like I can sense it. When I like sense it in my skin, the hairs start to come up.
No, I don't think it's a good idea for us to keep doing.
What?
Sign of addiction.
Yeah, sign of addiction.
What are we doing?
I'm doing a walkthrough. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
walkthrough. Just walking the perimeter right now.
All right. Lots of machines. Look, it's gonna close.
It's gonna close.
Oh, I see roulette.
Yeah, it's over there. We're
I
walking
don't
around.
see bubble cup.
It's over there. Same area. Yeah. It's $1?
Ah, ooh, high limit.
Let's go in the high limit area. Walk through the high limit room. Yeah.
They have Dragon Link high limit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
You wanna go see? Let's go see how much it is. It's not being played a lot.
It's 10 cents. It's $5 then, yeah?
$5, huh? Okay. Oh, congratulations. Nice. Bar in the middle. Void rewards. Yeah, they got Dragon Links all over.
What is that? Chinese kitchen.
It's called Ping Pao.
Ping pong pong.
No, Ping Pao. This is
No, it's
noodle.
ping pong pong.
Oh, Ping Pang Pong. Like how I said that? Ping Pang Pong. So you need to rub that guy first before playing the Buddha.
Yeah? I'll do that right now.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. Oh, there's more over here. Ping Pang Pong. Dancing drums. It's pretty quiet in here. Yeah. Would you like to play?
Hard if I start playing, I start.
Oh, I can limit you and give you $50.
It's like I want to chase that bonus. but I don't
Do you have
think
the
I want
camera?
that. I have a camera. I have a camera.
Here you go.
I don't want to.
Okay, I'm gonna walk around then. You
Okay,
sure?
never mind.
We'll walk around. Okay. I'll meet you at a Dragon Link. Okay. All right. Here goes our walkthrough. And copyright music. All right. They have a lot of old machines over here. A lot of old machines. Game King Keno. Game King Keno right over by the Keno section. Wow. Let's turn this way so you can see the perimeter walk first. All right. Cornerstone American Steakhouse. Oh, so that's a non-smoking section on the left. And there's a sports bar over there too. Let's take a walk over there in a second. Non-smoking section, red zone sports bar. It's quiet here. Oh man, I like that wall of Crown Royal. Nice. Ventilation here is pretty good. You're probably gonna hear no music in the background because there's copyright. You gotta take it out. But yeah, I actually love playing these games over here. Crazy Money Deluxe. Golden Gold.
Just a little cream.
Stir. So we're gonna finish walking the perimeter and then I'm gonna walk through the middle. You can see the machines. Ping pong pong. Okay, I'm gonna walk through the middle of this area first and then finish the rest. Yep. So I don't have to walk back over here later. Wonder where she's playing. Man, they got a lot of slot machines here. This place is pretty big. We came here last summer and it was packed. For some reason, the ventilation wasn't as good. Let's see if she's winning.
No.
She's at $14. Okay. Okay. It's old Buffalo games. I'm gonna walk over by the bubble crash machine. Okay, let's go take a walk over there. Excuse me. Ooh, double bang, double bang, double bang.
Come on, let's get out of here. I'm coming back. Come on. Go see new house. Come on. Go see new house. Hey, come on.
There we go. Does that work, everybody? Does it? I mean, you see people slamming on the screens and tapping them all over. Oh, wow. Sports book area. Oh, these are nice individual baccarat machines. Haven't seen this before. Table games. Table games in the middle. Oh, they got TGI Fridays in here too. Here's another view of the sports book. And they got Stadium Baccarat here. So here's your TGI Fridays. Wow, I haven't seen this before. A whole stadium section for Baccarat. And it's live too. Yeah, check this out. It's live. Live dealer. We got monitors here. People can sit there and play. I'm going to record this real quick from the phone. Gold Coast has live stadium Baccarat. Nice. There's your bubble craps. That's cute. Wow, those are huge. Money Link. So we walked in from there, Huff and Four Puffs. Okay. Subway here. All right. There's your walkthrough. All the games are pretty spread out, pretty good. Electronic.